What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with your YouTube account, make a YouTube account, upload a video, etc. You get the picture. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, first thing you gotta do is go to Firefox and sign in. Let me put my password in. Okay, now you gotta go to YouTube. If I click on Create a Studio, you must create a channel to upload videos. Click that. Edit this, or probably click here for another name. 1994. 1994. So 1994 Rayhan or 1994. I'll just say entertainment. Agree. Gotta verify that account again. Okay, let me put in my number. You won't see this. Continue. There it is. The old-fashioned BlackBerry text message. Okay, continue. If I now go to dashboard, that is my channel's name, 1994 Rayhan 1994. So if I go view channel, I still need a custom URL, so I'll probably fix that now. YouTube settings. Our custom URLs have changed. Go back to the Create a Studio. Community, nothing. Channel, nothing. Change your country location. We live in the UK. UK. Save. Now if I go to, no, it's channel. Yeah, I'll probably go through the monetization stage in a different video. I still need to verify myself. YouTube settings. That's just going back to square one. Advanced. Go to learn more. Linking and verifying. That's garbage. It says something like your account needs to be 30 days old, 500 more subscribers, a channel icon, channel art in order to get a custom URL. So that's the only thing we can do at the minute, is just upload a video. Get this video, drag that here. It's uploading quickly because it's like a 10-second video. We are just playing the waiting game now. Okay, the video has now been uploaded, so I'm just going to click it and view it and see what it's about. Desktop. It's just a video for my proper YouTube account. Alright, that's it. Go back to Creator Studio. And that's really it. So I've just showed you how to make a YouTube account, get a URL, not at the minute. In 30 days time you can get your customized URL. You have a YouTube channel name, uploaded the first video, and that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.